Oh, morning everybody, it's Stack Smart here again, and wow, the last few days have been a bit crazy for the silver price, and we've seen another rally and we're back down again to 16.9, and I think the market feels a little bit like I feel at the moment, which is this thing's really difficult to predict at the moment, because the first thing is there aren't that many indicators happening. It's just very choppy and it's difficult to predict what's happening, but there are a couple of things I wanted to just show you this morning that I find interesting about it. Last week I said that I think that this 17.4 was the top of the rally, and there was some really significant news since then. We had the Greeks saying that they might adopt Bitcoin as a currency if the euro don't help them out, and I think that probably Greece will end up flipping towards Russia and China for their currency and maybe come out of the euro, which is having a significant effect on the market. And also we had the worst non-farms payroll for a long time, so if you have a look at these figures, the actual previous non-farms was 264,000. The forecast was 246,000, but the actual figures were more than half what they thought, which should have really had a massive effect on the market. So let's have a quick look at what happened. So in essence, the day started for silver around 16.7, and it ended at about 17.05. So it was only really a move of like 40 cents or something. Now, if it had missed the other way around, we would have seen a capitulation of over $1, in my opinion, which shows you that the momentum of the market is still to repress the price of silver, in my opinion. Now, the interesting thing is that this particular spike in silver, if you have a look at the gold price, actually moves above the rally point that we hit here. So again, it makes predicting this particular pattern very, very difficult, because gold's already breached this figure here. But I think that at the moment we are moving within the funnel, within a funnel. Those of you who were with us, for a while, remember that we're still in this funnel shape, and we are moving around the round number at the moment as well. So as you can see here, let me just draw on. This is the 17.0 price. So let me just put that in white for you so you can see. If the market is insecure for any reason, not quite sure what to do, it tends to funnel around a price. So as you can see here, we've gone above 17, we went below 17, we've gone above 17, we'll probably fall down to 16.7 here, I'd have thought, and then maybe go back up again until there's some significant news, and then normally out of these sort of constricting patterns there's a significant move. So again, it's very difficult to predict what's going to happen. I think we will see it being a bit choppy until there's some decisions made over Greece and various other things. So, and no pick today. This isn't a price that I feel like we should be buying at, but I am looking at potentially lining up a purchase for next week, and I've got my eye on something, so stay tuned for that. Hope that's been useful to you. If you're watching the videos but you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe, because it'll really help me bring the content to you over the next weeks and months. And please, if you enjoy the videos, please thumbs up, this video, and yeah, let's stack smart together. I'll see you next time.